Today is Monday, May 12th, and this is your forecast for the northeastern United States. And well, today is going to be similar to yesterday. Brilliant blue sky and just overall really beautiful. But one thing that we'll notice, especially away from the New York City metro, is that it's going to be quite a bit warmer today. In New York City, it is a cool start, and temperature-wise, we're going to end up about where we did yesterday. So here are the weather headlines. A beautiful start to the week. It is, of course, after today, going to go back to, the default pattern, which is unsettled. So there will be at least the chance for some showers each day from Tuesday through the end of the week. But unlike last week, temperatures this week will be warmer than normal. So actually it'll be a warm, kind of unsettled weather pattern for us. A little bit of a cool start this morning in the New York City metro, so maybe a light jacket as you head out the door, but it'll be beautiful this afternoon, peaking around or just above 70 degrees. Clouds increasing for us later on this evening as we settle back into the low 60s. 76 today in Albany, 79 in Syracuse, 78 in Buffalo, 82 for you in Philly. So a little bit of a northeasterly or easterly component to the wind is the reason why it's going to be cooler around the New York City metro. I'll tell you what, you get outside of Jersey City into New Jersey, and it's actually going to be just as warm as it will be up here from Albany to Syracuse, well into the 70s this afternoon. So it's just near the city and right near the coast where it ends up cooler. Then tonight, the next area of low pressure drifting up from the south will bring some showers for Washington and Columbus. Clouds increasing for New York City, Philly, and Buffalo, even Syracuse. And then eventually those showers are going to pivot off to the north and east starting tomorrow. So here's a look at the weather map. This is the area of low pressure. So you remember that omega block pattern that I was talking about last week? Well, there was an area of low pressure out west. There was one low pressure out east, and then it was nice in the middle. That's the omega, kind of the Greek letter omega with the jet stream. Well, the first part of that low pressure block is now long gone. That's the one that gave us the unsettled weather last week. Well, here comes the second half of that. Isn't that nice? So this is going to move off to the northeast over the next couple of days, sort of spinning with an area of low pressure stuck up here up toward Hudson's Bay. And so that keeps a chance for showers. I don't think it's going to be nearly as bad as it was last week, but there will be some showers around most of this week. It also will be warmer than normal with highs in the upper 60s and even at times 70s in the New York City metro. Some showers tomorrow, some showers Wednesday and Thursday. Looks like our shower chance is much smaller in the New York metro for Friday and Saturday, but probably some showers outside the city here for the end of the week, and even warmer, well into the 70s Friday and Saturday, and then cooling off a little bit later in the weekend. So not a bad week ahead, just a little unsettled as that second low pressure system drifts across the northeast. All right, so that's your Monday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a great start to the weekend. Remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.